Yo, what's up guys? This is Jared Teller. In this video, I'm going to show you a beginner's fat burning routine that you can perform in the comfort of your own home that lasts about 10 minutes, all right? You heard me, it's 10 minutes. It's going to have you sweating and it's going to help you to burn those calories to help transform your body into the masterpiece that you want it to be, all right? For those of you that do not know me, my name is Jared Teller. I am a fitness YouTuber that will help you to accomplish your fitness goals. Anywhere from losing weight to getting a six-pack to doing the backflip to gaining muscle, anything, all right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel and you won't be disappointed, okay? All right, so like I said, the fat burning routine is for beginners. It lasts about 10 minutes and we're going to be doing 10 exercises and resting in between sets, all right? And when we're resting, we're going to be resting for 30 seconds, but we're not going to be standing still. We're going to be jogging in place, all right? So, oops, sorry, the plane flying by. Like I said, when we're resting, we're going to be jogging in place. We're not going to be standing still, okay? So let's get started. The first exercise that we're going to do is the knee-ups, all right? I'm going to tell you which exercise to perform after each set, all right? So let's get started. I'm going to set my timer right now. All right, first exercise, knee-ups. Let's go. Make sure you're taking deep breaths, all right? Let's go, let's go. Good job, good job. You're doing great, you're doing great. Keep it up, keep it up. Awesome. All right, jog in place. Now the next exercise we're doing is a plyometric squat. All right, so we're going to perform the plyometric squat just like this, okay? All right. So we got about 15 seconds left. Rest time. Almost there. You're doing great. Come on, keep it up, keep it up. Now let's start. Plyometric squat. Make sure you're squatting as low as you could, okay? And taking deep breaths. Good job, good job. This will work out your glutes, your legs, and your lower back. Awesome, awesome. All right, jog in place. Now, next exercise that we're going to do is the plyometric lunge, which is performed just like this. Okay? All right, so we got about 10 more seconds. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Let's go. Plyometric lunge. Good job, good job. Deep breaths. Awesome, jog in place. Good job. Now, the next exercise we're doing is the jumping jacks. Now, to perform the jumping jacks, all it is this, okay? All right, let's go. Almost there. We got about 8 more seconds rest time. All right, jumping jacks, let's go. Deep breaths, come on, let's go, let's go. You got this, you got this. Don't stop. You're doing great, you're doing great. 12 seconds. Good job, good job. Awesome. Jog in place. Now, this is going to be a little weird, all right? But next exercise we're going to do and hop on one leg, just like this, okay? If you can't hop on one leg, lean on something and then hop on one leg, okay? Starting with your left leg, okay? Let's go. This works out your calves, just your whole leg, basically. Is going to burn, okay? But keep it up, keep it up. If you have to stop, stop, and then resume it, okay? Good job, good job. You got 5 more seconds. Good job, good job. Jog in place. Good job. Now, next exercise is the same exercise, but on your right leg, okay? 15 more seconds. All right, let's go. Right leg now. Just hop on one leg. I don't know about you, but my quads on both legs is killing me. Yours should be too. All right? You got 13 more seconds. Awesome, awesome. Now, next exercise that we're gonna do is, I already don't have a name for it, but this is how you perform the exercise. All right, so you squat, like squat on this side, then switch, just like this, okay? So when you jumping, just switch positions, okay? And directions. All right, start. Good job, keep it up. Oh, that burns. All right, good job. Almost done. All right, so next exercise is basically we're going to jump side to side, okay? So we're going to do this. All right, just like that. We're almost done. Let's go. Side to side, okay? Deep breaths, come on, breathe. You have to breathe. Deep breaths from the stomach, diaphragm. Good job. Jog in place. All right, so next exercise is the butt taps. So basically, what you do is bring your heel to tap your glutes, just like this. Okay? Try to touch your butt. Let's go. All right, just like that, okay? Keep it up, keep it up. Almost done. We got 6 more seconds. Awesome. Last exercise, all right? We're almost there. Last exercise. Last exercise we're going to do is jumping jacks. All right. So you got 15 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Last exercise, all right? Make it count. Good job. Almost there, you got 10 seconds. Let's go. Awesome. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Good job. I knew that you could perform this exercise. I believed in you. I knew you could finish this. You believe in yourself. All right? And you see, when you believe in yourself, you accomplish anything, all right? And soon you're going to accomplish your goal of being slim, all right, with muscles, tone, with a six-pack, all right? But just believe that you could do it, all right? Because you could do it. All right, these bugs, annoying. All right, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not. Make sure you leave comments down below. I'm always reading your comments and I'm making videos on what you want, all right? I'm doing this for you guys, all right? All right, guys, make sure you check out my IG page, which is Jarrett Teller, all right? And I'll see you next time. Peace. Whew.